At the beginning of this phase, we already knew exactly what we were going to include on our HPV, and any foreseeable problems were worked out. You may remember the intricate drawings we made for every piece of our HPV. We're taking a completely different approach than any other group in the Academy, so it's hard to make a side-by-side comparison from our HPV to any other. We are using some additional resources, but we're using them to an extent that is making our project as complicated and time-consuming to create as any other in the Academy. The only difference is the precision of the end result. Much of our fabrication has been done in a home-based machine shop, where we have access to expert support and precision tooling. The precision tooling is important to our manufacturing process, but it comes with a price. Single cuts can take hours to set up. Luckily, our design calls for few tubes, so it's quality over quantity. We're using chromium molybdenum steel that we got from an aircraft supply company. It increases strength and allows us to use fewer tubes. The round tubing with large diameters also increases strength with little added weight. Our tubing and bicycle components arrived over winter break, and we began manufacturing. Our benchmark was to cut and miter our tubing and complete at least 7 welds. The audience will know we have completed this benchmark when we proceed into the manufacturing segment of this video. Our manufacturing is centered around the cutting, facing, and mitering of our tubes, rather than the welding, which is the easiest part. While it only took a week to weld our basic frame, it took the rest of our phase to do everything else. The cross tube was the most difficult part of our manufacturing. The tube's 3 miters took a total of 7.5 hours on Tommy's horizontal mill. Now, over 7 of our welds are complete, and our frame has taken shape. We've completed our benchmark, and we are finished with the hardest parts of manufacturing. There are still many obstacles that lie ahead, but now we know what it takes to overcome them. Our next steps will be to finish the rear suspension and chain case, and put in our already designed steering system. The plasma cam has proved to be a useful tool, and we've cut out many pieces.